Hey guys, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of Google Ads series, we will understand the advanced location targeting options available inside Google Ads dashboard. In previous video, we understood the location targeting option inside your Google dashboard that you can target the smallest area possible, that is pin code or area, and the largest is entire world. And what are the possible ways, whether you target people based on your radius location or maybe pin code, maybe specific area, how to include, how to exclude, everything we have explained. Now this is the next video and an advanced targeting option in terms of geographical location. If you come in your Google Ad dashboard, the similar option inside the location one, you will see an option that is location option. You will see an option called location option. If you hover on it, then it says include or exclude people, right? Both the things. Include people who presence or interest, people in regularly in or who have shown interest in your included location recommended, that is first option. Or include people who presence, it means people in or regularly in your included location. Now let's understand the meaning of both these terms. First is presence or interest. It means whatever location you have selected. Let's say you have selected Delhi. And by default this option is enabled. So it means the people who live in Delhi, the first option is people who live in Delhi, they will be seeing my ad. People who continuously or regularly visit Delhi, they don't live in Delhi, let's say they live in Gurgaon, they live in Jaipur, they live in any other country or maybe city, but they regularly, frequently visit Delhi, they will also see my ad. So it is not something that only people live in Delhi will see my ad. People who visit Delhi frequently or come into Delhi frequently, they will also see my ad. If you enable the first option. Or the third option, whom have shown interest in your included location. If somebody is searching for Delhi, let's say if somebody is living in Jaipur and they are searching for best places to visit in Delhi, and you are maybe the targeting the people who are living in Delhi or presence in Delhi. So the chances are higher that people who are showing interest to visit in Delhi or in Delhi will also see your advertisement, even though they don't live in Delhi, they live outside Delhi. So sometime it is a possibility that your leads, your sales will come outside Delhi as well. But what is the issue? Sir, what is the issue? If sale is coming, if lead is coming, then what is the harm? There is a harm because if your business is location specific and you don't want leads from outside Delhi, and if you don't want, queries from outside Delhi because you are not able to serve them. Let's say your business is in Delhi, your coaching institute is in Delhi, and your coaching institute is an offline coaching institute. You cannot serve people outside the Delhi or maybe outside 10 kilometers of the radius. In that case, people or queries outside from Delhi or outside your location area will be a waste of budget for you. And you cannot control that until unless you have selected this particular option. And if you want to control that, only the people who properly live in this particular area should only see my advertisement and not the people who live outside the area and only regularly visit, then you go with this option that is called presence. It means the people who either permanently live in Delhi or regularly visit the Delhi in terms of city will see my advertisement. Now you will say, sir, is there any option to only target people who live in Delhi and not regularly visit? As such, we don't have any such option. Either you go with the presence or regular visit, or you go with the all option related to Delhi, related to Delhi city, any search happening, they will see your advertisement. So if location specific business, I would consider the second option. If not so location specific business, online business, then you go with the first option. Now the other option can be the real estate. Now people who are looking to buy property in Delhi, let's say I live in Jaipur, so I might search for, let's say, 3 BHK flat in Janakpuri, Delhi, or 3 BHK flat in Jamnapar or Mayapuri or whatever area in Delhi from Jaipur. So your ad will be shown to me as well because I am interested in Delhi, and that's the ideal way because people who are living in Jaipur want to come to Delhi for living purpose, for job purpose. You can show the advertisement to you. But people who are in Delhi or regularly visiting the Delhi, if they are the target audience for your brand, then choose the second option. I have seen multiple people doing this very common mistake that they don't see this option because by default Google Ads does not show you this option. They keep it collapsed, and by default the first option is always selected, that is called recommended, because Google Ad want more and more audience to interact with your ads and your budget should be exhausted as soon as possible. But the smartest move is to look at the each and every option provided by Google Ads so that you can get the maximum ROI with your possible budget and without getting your budget wasted wasted on unnecessary clicks or irrelevant leads. So guys, this was the advanced Google Ads targeting option which is mentioned in a Google Ads dashboard, and what is the meaning of these two options I have just explained you. So now it is up to you, based on your business need, based on your customer profile, what kind of option you want to go with. You can go with and you can select your option accordingly. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.